What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty with the Dividend Stock King with another video. Today we're talking about Main Street Capital and what is my goals are, what's the deal with it, and why I'm a huge fan of this stock. You see here my total return is over 19%, over 20%. My diversity is almost 20% as well. I have 148 shares. Have a dividend coming in on the 14th, which is in 4 days now, of $34.07. I do a weekly buy every Friday, $5. I'm thinking about doing more. And this, and before I begin, I'm not giving any financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But this stock here, this is probably one of my favorite monthly dividend paying stocks. Their company, they lend money to other businesses on the lower to middle tier companies. They loan money to those businesses. I believe they're required to pay 90% of their dividend and their cash flow and the dividends. I believe. I think BBCs do that anyway. They have to pay their shareholders. I believe that's the case. I haven't done it in so long. I haven't thought about it. I know REITs have to do that. But you look at their website, and they're so diversified in so many different industries that they invest in. And you see, the news every once in a while. They have a new investment. They close a new deal. They pay special dividends this year, so they pay monthly, and then with that monthly dividend, you get a quarterly dividend as well. That's a few stocks that does this, and Main Street Capital is one. To start my son's account, with his custodial account, the first stock I bought was Main Street Capital. That's the first one I bought, because I know if I had a ton of money and I want to blindly put in the stock, it would be Main Street Capital. Just off the 5-year trend, this stock has been consistent. And I was buying this when March 2020 happens. I was buying for $15, $17, and it has fought back to where it was before. So before COVID, it was at $44, and it was about 40. And then after COVID, it started going back up some. At one point, to $45, and it drops. And I try to buy these dips when I can, because this stock stays pretty. Past month or so, it stayed at $38, $39. Let's see the 3-month chart here. Yeah, last 3 months it stayed. The lowest it's been is $38. So this thing's been 37, 38 to 40, $41. So this stock remains the same, and it's only returned back to where it was pre-COVID. It pays a really good dividend, and I guess I forgot which one you can see where the dividend's at, but they pay a really good dividend. I'm a huge, here you go, show more, and then you can probably see the dividends here as well if it loads up any, and you can see the dividends. Hit search, and these are the dividends. Now, I told you, they pay, not all the time, but this year they've been paying a quarterly dividend with the monthly. So my monthly was $32.67, and I got paid an additional dividend of $32.97. Both of those were reinvested. That is $65 they paid me last month in June. And both of those were reinvested. Now this month I am making $34. So my income has went up just about $2 on the stock, which is not a lot of money, but in dividend investing, actually $2 per month is a lot of money. So this month I am making $34. It almost buy a share. So what I have to do was add $10, $20 to this to make it a full share. And you see the dividends from, every month. As I bought, like I said, I bought this in May. I bought this in May. Well, I bought it in March, and I'm not sure I got paid a dividend in April, but My first dividend, it was like it was in May of 2020, and so I was buying this a lot. And back then, I wasn't doing drip, but I kept on buying this. I kept on buying this as well. And back then, and the dividend, they increased the dividend every year as well. So 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I was making 20 cents per month. Now they're paying 23 cents. So I was buying these stocks, this stock here, and every month it pays. Every month it pays. Every month. And I started doing dividend reinvestment, and I started doing that. And look at this, and I got a special dividend here, and another special dividend here as well, I believe. As you see here, it's 2022, and 2022 I was making 21 cents a share. And this year that's a special dividend right there. This year is, and this is I believe this year I was at 22 cents and a half, and now it is paying 23 cents. So you see that the dividend payment has gone up, which is a plus. If a company can pay increase the dividend, that's a plus. They're paying a special dividend as well, a huge plus. So this is why I have my kids invested in Main Street Capital, because by you talk about 18 years of dividend reinvestment, dividend increases, special dividends. That's 18 years of compounding, and say every year it goes up a penny. That's 18 cents will go up. So, but they're getting reinvestments, they're getting cash flow as well. So my first stock that I tell people to get is Main Street Capital. The first stocks for my kids' accounts is Main Street Capital. They raise the dividend. They pay every month. They not miss a payment. They pay every month, the 14th or the 15th, mainly the 15th of every month. They pay. This year, they're paying a quarterly dividend with the monthly dividend. So this is the second one they paid this year. They might pay two more this year. I think the next one will probably be September, and then the last one in December. I told them in December, so they're maybe paying two more. So that's free money coming in. So my ultimate goal is to get this to $100 per month, and keep investing. I want to get to $100 per month. My lifetime goal is $500 a month. That's a lot of money, because it's kind of a not expensive stock. It is up there in price compared to other stocks that $15, $16. UTS is $15, $17. This is a high stock. The yield is like 6 or 7%. But if you include the quarterly dividend comes in this year, is about maybe 8%, because you're getting more money. So that's the goal with Main Street Capital. I'm gonna try to get to $100 per month, and that way, if I was already there, they would have paid me $200 last month in June. If I already had $100 per month, I get paid $200 last month in June. So, and both of those will likely be reinvested. So, yeah, I'm a huge fan of Main Street Capital. Again, I'm not getting financial advice, but I'm a huge fan. I have automatic payment of $5 a week into Main Street Capital. I buy it, or I pay a check every week, and I think it's a great stock. It's been solid. The price chart looks good. They increase the dividends pretty much every year, so it goes up even half a cent or 1 cent. It's still an increase. They've been solid. And then look at the news every once in a while. They get new investment in their portfolio. It's a great stock to get into, especially for passive income. So, and I feel if I had $1,000 and I had to put in this stock, one stock, it will be Main Street Capital. Okay, it'll be Main Street Capital. I know I'm gonna get my dividends every month. I know I'm gonna get maybe a special dividend every once in a while. They'll increase their dividend year after year, and they make investments. Great stock to get into. But that's the end of my video. I will leave a link for Robinhood. Get started in dividend investing today for passive income. Passive income is we should all have another income stream besides our jobs. Our jobs ain't guaranteed. One income stream paying 8 or 9 bills is not that great. We need to build an income stream, and some people can't work a part-time job or start a side hustle or a business. So my thing is, when you start buying dividend stocks, and buy yourself an income stream for yourself. Buy yourself $500-800 per month, and let that pay your monthly expenses. Okay, so buy yourself income stream, and you can do this slowly. You can drip everything. Every dividend that I got from Main Street, or every dividend I got in my portfolio, is all reinvested back to the stock. To get every month it goes up, and as you see here, every month my dividend payment from May, it was $31. The next month was $32. With 2 payment this month it'd be $34. So April was $31. There was a special dividend right here, I believe. Yeah, in March it was $31. Okay, February $31 too, but January was $30. From January to July is $4. Not bad for only investing $5 a week, and the dividend comes in and reinvests it. But plus I probably throw in $30-40 on my paycheck into Main Street Capital. But I feel confident that I'm gonna get paid my dividend. So thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.